Hey everybody, so I got a new air fryer to show you today. This one is from Cooking with Color, and I had some utensils from them. I really like the colors and the designs of some of their products. And what I also like is that this one has a glass see-through bowl, so you can actually see your food while it's cooking, and I think that's kind of cool too. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. Now, I know I don't do these unboxings very often, but I've been told by a couple people that they enjoy this. You can always skip along if you don't like it. We do have our little tray at the bottom. We do have our little user manual. Oh, this is going to be easy to pull out. It's got like this little handle that you can grab on of the fryer itself. I know sometimes it could be a pain to get things out of a box with the styrofoam, but yeah, the way that they had this set up with the handle, that was pretty easy. I like this. This looks pretty nice. Pretty nice size. Nice thick glass. This is thick like Pyrex or maybe like the tray in your microwave. I'm kind of curious if it gets really hot too. But the bowl does have these little notches where it allows the tray to rest right on top, so you still have your airflow underneath. All right, now personally, I would prefer the cord to be just a little bit longer. I mean, if it's going to be up on your counter, it's probably not too bad of a deal anyway, and some probably won't care, but it is kind of a short cord. Well, I guess that cord's actually not too bad. It does stretch all the way over here. On the very top, there is some directions for times and temperatures for different things like egg tart, fries, cake, chicken wings, stuff like that. And we do have a digital display, so if we turn it on, we hit our power, and look how easy it would be to select something. So if we, well, let's see. So if we hit our menu button here, you just scroll along, and it will choose automatic temperatures based on those different items you choose. Or you could go in and you could always adjust the temperatures and the times manually. So that's pretty cool there. And this will go up to 400 degrees and as low as 175. Did you hit the power button when you select what you want? I put it back to 400, hit the power button, now it's going. Also, the sticker did say that the glass will be hot to the surface. I kind of assumed it would be. The bottom, I don't think will be quite as hot just because the way it's made like a microwave, like the same kind of plate glass. But I'm gonna go ahead and let this run for a few minutes and just test it out real quick. All right, so we got stuff cooking. It's pretty cool. You can see in the glass, and you can definitely feel the heat off of that. So don't touch the glass. Be careful with that. But you could, I don't know if the camera could pull up it popping, and you can see it kind of sizzling through the glass. I'm not sure if the camera is catching that or not, but it works really well. It heated up really quick. If you pull it out, it will automatically stop it, and then if you can shake it, whatever. And then if you press it back in, it's going to trigger it to continue, and then it's going to resume. Anyway, I think it's a really nice air fryer. I really love the see-through glass, as I have mentioned a couple different times. And I like that it does have the pre-programmed settings for a few of the different foods that you can do, and then you can manually change it, of course. Now, this isn't the largest one, of course, so it's not going to be for your large meals or for large families, but this is going to be able to do a decent amount. But it heats up really nice and quick. It only uses 1,200 watts of power, and overall, I think it just works really well. Anyway, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.